right, boys, ladies, gentlemen, we're going live from the BDH here. We got a special guest today, my good friend.
How's it going, fellas? It's Nuttybar.
It's Nuttybar. Fucking who would have thought? If you would have had a bingo chart for 2024 and said Nuttybar and Patrick Wheeler are going to be trading in the same room, I bet you would have not picked that square, but here we are. Look at that, two gingers ready to take over the world. The best part is the market crashed like 1,000 points overnight. I think the market knew. The market knew that the number 2 and the number 1 ginger on YouTube are here to buy the dip. So we're getting ready. We're about an hour away from the bell, and it's going to be a fun day. We got a lot of stuff planned. I think there's going to be a little showdown as well on the greens today. Put some money on the line. I'm going to whoop Nuttybar's ass. Whoop his ass.
I can't wait for the round of golf. I'm not sure if I'm more excited for trading or if I'm more excited for a round of golf. It's going to be epic.
I already know what's going to happen. I'm either going to play really well and have a good time, or I'm going to play really bad and have a bad time. So we're trying to figure out, we were like, should we play the full 18 holes? And I'm like, well, let's just get through the first 19 and the first 9. Get through the first 9, we'll figure it out. So
See if we have any club throws.
there's definitely going to be some club breaks.
Club breaks. Over under on Patrick throwing his clubs.
I got brand new clubs, baby.
You do?
Top of the line. Cobras.
Ooh, I got to see him.
Boo! Boo! Welcome, sir.
Look who's here. How we doing, man?
This is the
How you
Nutty
doing,
Bar.
dude?
I don't know if you've ever seen the
The
Nutty
Nutty Bar, dude.
How you doing,
You're
bro?
not a
This
candy
is
bar.
Nutty
You're real.
Yeah, I'm
You're
real.
not a candy
Oh,
bar.
he definitely is a candy bar.
In the
He's on a
flesh.
diet right now. No candy bars allowed.
I know. Well, don't look at my truck. I might have broke that rule on the way over.
You had Nutty bar?
No, I had a candy bar.
Oh, fuck it, this guy.
Everybody, happy Monday. Happy Mega Money Mondays. How's everybody's weekend been? Or how did it go?
It's already here!
Blooming by.
Alright. Thanks
Bye,
for the
guys.
intro. Such a beautiful guest intro person. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Bring her back. No. She's gone now, boys. Now it's time for me and my brother from another mother. That's right. We got a special guest here today. We got 2 special guests, chat. So if you're here to win, well, just keep on staying tuned. We got to get more likes until I unveil the man, the myth, the legend, Nuttybar. He's ready. He's primed up. He's got an account full of money. And he said he's gonna go all in or all out today. Mostly just all in, but we'll see. I told him I'm not gonna fade him today, at least, you know. Get through the VWAP here. Grass.
Should have brought some pictures of my lawn just to reminisce.
All right, so it's 9:45, 10 o'clock here. We already locked in over 500. It's a lot of money. I think like $10,000 this morning trading multiple accounts, and we got Brett Simba here, the CEO of Tradeify. So he's on the stream right now, hanging out, talking. We got Nuttybar. It's a big day, baby. You never know what to expect at the BDH.
An Apex special, we call it. $35, all advanced accounts. 50K, 100K, 150K accounts right now, guys. 99 activation.
With the code PW?
With the code PW.
Oh! Oh!
With the code PW.
Oh! Sir, something's happening, sir.
Sir, what happened? What happened? What did I do?
You're red now. You're almost. No, you're still green.
Okay,
No, he's in the red.
everybody calm down.
All right, it's 11 o'clock, and we got a couple good trades in. Nuttybar crushed, but everybody green on the day. We had Brett making money. We got Nuttybar making money. We got me making money. We're up over, I think, like $23,000, $24,000 a day for Mega Money Mondays. We're doing it live here at the BDH as well, so it's a lot of fun, and we're still growing. This is the other room, and I still have to kind of get dialed in with everything, but it's doing it, baby. It's hard to live stream all day, to work and trade, but we're doing it. I'm always like, you know, sometimes I just want to be able to trade and not have to like worry about streaming, but it's fun. When it all works out, you have a nice green day, especially for starting out the week. Bang, baby. All right, we just got done with the BDH live stream. We had Brett Simba, we got Nuttybar. We were just fucking crushing it. Good time. Did you think it was gonna go that way, or do you think it might like didn't really know?
You know,
It was a good vibe.
You
Good
never know.
energy.
It was a good vibe, and yeah, it was a great environment. It really helped get some winning trades.
Now we're heading golfing. I have no idea if Nuttybar can even hit a golf ball, and he doesn't know if I can hit a golf ball, but we've already made a big bet. Who's gonna win? We're gonna see. There can only be one ginger golfer on YouTube, and it can't be him.
Let's go.
We just got here to the driving range. We got only one hot dog. I was gonna get 2 hot dogs, one for me, one for Colin, but they only had one, so I said, well, I guess I gotta eat, boy. So we got a hot dog here, we're getting ready, and let's go see what happens. Hopefully I'm hitting them straight today. That's all I need to do, hit them straight, hit them straight. Never play with the rolling on the reefs. It's heavy, man. Throwing my shot off. Here we go, baby. Start the show. The Nuttybar Extreme
All right,
Experience.
let's go. Dog leg to the right. We're gonna try to hit a power fade. Cross your fingers. Oh. Not how we wanted to start it off.
I can't laugh because I gotta go now. Fuck. Oh, fuck. No pressure, Patrick. No pressure. All I gotta do is basically get it onto the fairway. Get it on the fairway. Oh, shit. Went straight up. It went straight up. He jinxed me. He was looking at me too much. I can feel the burn of his...
We can both take a mulligan.
No, I'm ahead of you. Oh, yeah. 2, 3, 4.
Let's go. Second hole, before it starts counting. We are heading into hole number 3. Started off a little bit rough, double bogey. Had to hit my ball out of a bush.
Oh. Oh.
Way too hard.
Oh. That's one nice ball, boys. Look at that thing. I think it's ready to go.
Oh, stay.
Is that in someone's house?
Nice. Nice.
Bounced in the sand, out of the sand, kept going.
Shit. Come on.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh, no way. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go. God, he got
Birdie, baby.
That's pretty good. You know, when you start out the day, you start out 0. You got to get it up over the hill and into the hole. Ooh. If I win this hole, it's all over. We're going home. Oh God.
Pressure,
Oh, God.
pressure is on.
Did it not? It literally. All right, so basically, if you apply my handicap to this, I pretty much beat Nuttybar. That's pretty much how it goes. What's my handicap? I mean, I don't really know what my handicap is, but someone said that at one point I'm retarded. So that might be my handicap. I will have to give it to him. He's a lot better than I thought he would be. Not that I really thought he would be, you know, anything different, but
It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
I stick to the fishing. We'll let you stick to the golf. There can't be two good golf ginger traders, you know. We got to have some differences. It'll be
couldn't
weird
have
if
that.
like we're both good at golf, both good at trading.
It would be too weird.
Yeah,
It would be too weird. I'll
Nutty-
take the golfing, you take the fishing and the trading.
I might have. That's all that matters. This is the last hole that matters. I was +2.
I hit 2 out of bounds. I was 3.
Oh, no, I win. Winner. All right, so we just got back here to the BDH, and as funny as it sounds, the market has gone nowhere since we left. Isn't that great? We went out, we played golf, we came back, and we missed nothing. Absolutely nothing. So there it is, a Monday, Mega Money Monday, making some money here with our good friend Nuttybar. Used to be arch enemy. You know, sometimes you gotta hate someone before you can love somebody. That's what I tell everybody. Like, you know, you start out haters, and then you become lovers. Well, you know, that's going in. Not a bad Monday. A little bit of golf, a little bit of money, a little bit of fun. So we're gonna be back here tomorrow morning. We're gonna go get a steak dinner tonight with the boy over there. Gonna get him fed up, get him ready. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna be putting up some big numbers. Turbo Tuesdays, baby. It's gonna be hot, hot, hot live from the BDH. What are you gonna say? Say something inspirational.
It was awesome. Let's do it again.
All right. We are back for day 2 in the BDH with our good friend Nuttybar.
Hey, how's it going, fellas?
It's so funny, like, I feel I just, like, call you Nutty. Just gotta call him Nutty now. Do you, like, other people call you Nutty?
That's fine. I've been called way worse.
But do you have, like, other people, like, in real life that call you Nutty? Like,
No,
not really.
no. Usually Les is like...
Yeah, Les. Well, baby, we back. Nuttybar's back. He's alive. He's alive. What's going on?
A tree. So...
This is
I'm not sure I've ever done
wait.
that before.
This is actually after you told me that trees are 90% air.
Yeah, I was telling Patrick, trees are 90% air. It's okay. Just hit
And then he
through
hits it into a tree and it doesn't come out of it. For the FOMC tomorrow being a big day. So normally the day before FOMC can be a bit choppy. That's
it should be great.
I
It should be
can't
great.
believe I gave you $10,000 for winning. That's crazy, but you know that's how we do it in the BDH. We got stacks of these.
I feel like I have a defamation lawsuit pending.
Oh my god, I'm so confused. I don't understand. Why do you look like that? Check this out, camera. Come here, camera. Camera, film this. See, I bought right there. And then I sold right there for over that's like $7,000 profit. $10,000! $10,000!
Go. Okay, I'm gonna.
$10,000!
Order filled.
Woo!
Lots of pain and suffering,
Get
but
the
we
fuck
got
out
there.
of here! Everybody in the chat can suck my big
Let's
fucking
go.
dick. Go fuck yourself.
All
Where's
you
the
nutty
guy at?
faders out there.
Where's the guy at that said he was short of the 24th? Well,
All right.
there it is. The BDH Nuttybar collaboration. Had some good trades, had some bad trades. But that's
Had
trading,
some
my
bad
friend.
trades. But,
Sometimes you gotta lose to win.
That's right. We survived.
But yeah, epic day, epic 2 days. We had the golfing, we had the trading, and all that fun stuff. So
It was awesome.
it's been a pleasure, my
Hey,
friend. I will look
it was
forward
great.
to seeing you again at
Thanks
some point.
thanks for everything. Hospitality was great.
Yeah. That's how we do it. BDH style, baby. Big, the largest, the best. All right.
All right, let's go.
That's a wrap. This is where we hide the secret stuff. We don't tell anybody about what's behind this door because it's a secret. Also, don't drink and drive, kids. Oh my God. We said goodbye to our little Nuttybar. And now we're gonna go drop off the Huracan to pick up my other Lamborghini that just got a water pump replaced. So that's the fun part about owning Lamborghinis is they have issues. Crash into the Ferrari.
We'll do.
I mean, you know, we're gonna do it. You know, might as well do it. Do it right. That's why I like these guys. I just come here and they're just like, what do you want to do? I'm like, just do it. Whatever we gotta do, just do it.
How it works.
Yeah, exactly. See? There it is. 2 days in the BDH. We got it done. Made some money. I think we're up like $50,000 or $60,000 in 2 days. We had Nuttybar. We dropped off a Lambo. We picked up a Lambo. We got more stuff to do. And it's only 3 o'clock here on a Tuesday, so not bad. We're doing pretty good. If you guys enjoy these videos, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You never know what you're gonna see here at the BDH. It's gonna be big, big, big.